Hello everyone, I'm HC and today I'm going to be reviewing the Under Armour UA Sportsmask plus Isochill, that's what they call it. So I've gone for the medium/L size. On their website they have a sizing guide, so you can basically measure from here to there and then from here to the bottom to kind of gauge what kind of size you need to buy. So this basically is a 3-layer system. They say that the outer is water resistant, the middle is an open cell foam that lets air through but makes it hard for moisture and sweat to pass. It's also got what they call Isochill fabric on the interior lining and air loops to make it feel cool to the touch for as long as you wear it. Antimicrobial treatment inhibits growth of bacteria in the mask no matter how sweaty it gets. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, so inside you get the mask. And you also get a pouch. And there you get some basic instructions over there. So if you guys haven't seen, I also did a different product review on a mask called the U mask. In comparison, in terms of the fabric wise, this is much thicker, so it's very foamy feel, which is nice. You know, it's very comfortable to the touch. And the inside basically has the size of which one you bought, and then it's got the Isochill name of the material that they use for the inside, which they claim keeps it cool for as long as you wear it. Now this mask was designed for athletes and or just people in general who do sports. Let's wear it and check it out. So I actually wore this mask today to the post office, and because today is actually a really hot day, which is a great way to kind of test whether this really works in terms of keeping cool. Now the sizing is pretty good, you know, it's much bigger than my U mask, and it covers pretty well, you know, all over. This part here doesn't exactly have like a metal wire so that you can kind of press it in so that it contours to your face part, but then again, it's not an actual medical mask, so it's, you know, not designed to be like that. It's designed to allow air to pass in much more better, so that when you're going running or doing sports, you know, you can breathe better. Now I'm also going to make a separate video of just comparing my U mask and this mask and what the difference is between them. But in terms of the fit wise, like I said, it's pretty good. Although I would say that once you've measured your face, you're probably better off buying a size up, because, you know, if you want to just kind of tighten it, you can always just kind of twist the air loops to give you a better fit. Because I notice when I'm talking in this mask, it basically kind of moves the mask downwards, which means that I then have to keep kind of adjusting it. And then because unlike the U mask I got, you have to adjust the top and then the bottom as well, just to kind of keep it in check. So this mask they sell on their main website for £26. Funny because, you know, as soon as they announced this and then as soon as they put it on their website, they sold out within minutes. And then you have lots of people on eBay, you know, selling it for a much higher price now. they did have a another batch come in, so that I was lucky to get this second batch basically. But you know, if you're considering for a reusable mask that you know you can wash, it looks good and it's quite breathable, this one's pretty good. Although I wouldn't say you know it's as good as how they claim, you know, with this whole Isochill, you know, keeping cool. It's definitely very nice to the touch. It's comfortable to wear for long periods, I presume. I only wore it for about like 10 minutes going to the post office, and then coming back I wore my U mask. So but yeah, if you're looking for a reusable mask that's stylish, reusable by washing it and then just wearing it again, and you don't want to use disposables, this is a pretty good one. Thank you for watching my video, and I'm going to be doing another one, like I said, on the U mask, comparing to this one and see which one's better. So if you'd like to check that out, just click on the link, and I'll put the information of this mask in the description so you can have a look. Thank you.